Undoubtedly, the KTM 450 Rally Replica is the most successful bike to ever line up at the famous Dakar Rally. It's achieved victory in the hands of seasoned pros and also impressed many in the hands of privateers. But what makes the KTM 450 Rally Replica so popular? KTM 450 Rally Replica graces Dakar. Car enthusiasts always have their eyes on the Dakar Rally, the annual off-road motor race on rough terrains like deserts, mud, and dunes. It's known as one of the most challenging rally events in the world and includes motorcycles, trucks, buggies, cars, and side-by-side vehicles. The Dakar Rally usually lasts up to 2 weeks and comprises multiple stages, including a special stage that is about hundreds of kilometers long. The course is usually kept secret until the event's organized. It's usually held in Saudi Arabia. Many enthusiasts and racers have witnessed impressive motorcycles and cars at the Dakar Rally, but if there's one that's considered among the best, it's the KTM 450 Rally Replica. The single-cylinder, 4-stroke, 450 cubic centimeters motorcycle comes with a 6-speed transmission. The motorcycle's been designed with a new engine, frame, and transmission, and it's usually used for the most difficult stages of the Dakar Rally. One might wonder why the KTM 450 Rally Replica is considered the most successful machine at the Dakar Rally. This motorcycle has achieved 10 out of 19 wins at Dakar and 235 stage victories. It's the closest bike to a factory racer that can be bought from a dealership. The KTM 450 was designed, developed, and produced in Austria. The highly sought-after bike is the consumer version of the factory rally machine. With all its accolades as the most successful bike in Dakar Rally history, it's not surprising that the replica has attracted widespread attention from champions and enthusiasts alike. KTM has announced the 450 Rally Replica is coming bigger and better in 2025. It now has a new power plant, a refined chassis developed specially by KTM Factory Racing, and sleek changes to its bodywork. Only 100 units of the 450 Rally Replica will be available to racers worldwide. It has also impressed many as the only consumer-facing motorcycle made and assembled by KTM Motorsports in Austria. Orders opened for the motorcycle on April 24, 2024, offered at $40,000 per unit. With the limited number of units available, many enthusiasts quickly rushed to order the bike ahead of the public launch. Also, these bikes are not sold through dealerships, but you must apply to KTM with a race resume. But is the KTM 450 Rally Replica worth the price? You bet. Impressive engine. One of the highlights of the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is its engine power, which has left many excited. Although its 450 cubic centimeters engine is common in many KTM rally machines, the power plant's been upgraded with serious enhancements, offering racers more than enough engine power. The KTM 450 Rally Replica features a new SOHC cylinder head design, offering reliability and top performance. It's fitted with a strengthened gearbox and reinforced clutch, making it easy to handle the toughest conditions, as expected from the Dakar Rally. The cylinder has newly shaped ports, and its single overhead camshaft activates 4 ultra-lightweight titanium valves through DLC-coated rocker arms for maximum reliability. Fuel management's been a priority with the 2025 model, offering a total fuel capacity of about 9.3 gallons across 3 tanks. The rear-mounted 14.2-gallon tank doubles as a subframe, while 2 front tanks hold 2.3 and 2.5 gallons. The bike also has a titanium Agrapovich exhaust system designed to enhance ground clearance and performance. The 450 Rally Replica's engine includes 2 independently activated fuel pumps for optimal fuel delivery and weight distribution, doubling as a backup system. Separate radiators for coolant improve engine cooling even in extreme heat, with a backup radiator available if needed. The KTM 450 Rally Replica combines power, speed, and reliability, with rally-specific features that set it apart. The chassis and frame also ensure riders can conquer even the toughest terrains with ease. Hand-welded frame. At first glance, the KTM 450 Rally Replica frame looks exactly like its predecessor. However, it features significant changes within the frame. The Replica is fitted with an all-new frame, built in-house at KTM's renowned motorsports production facility in Austria. The frame is hand-welded, laser-cut, and hydro-formed, made of steel from seamless rigidity and perfect flex characteristics. This chassis offers excellent rider feedback, stability, and energy absorption. KTM engineers repositioned the rotating mass, frame tubes, and steering head connection to achieve this precisely calculated frame. They also enhanced the tube wall thickness for added reliability in high-stress areas. The frame is finished with durable powder coating, and the rear features a self-supporting 16-liter fuel tank that doubles as the subframe. The bike's revised chassis is designed with balanced geometry, weight distribution, and an advanced suspension setup for stability and control in the most challenging conditions. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica suspension includes WP Pro components such as a 48mm WP Exact Pro 7548 closed cartridge fork with cone valve technology at the front and a fully adjustable WP Exact Pro 7750 shock at the rear for exceptional damping and stability. The new hollow die-cast aluminum swing arm ensures balanced stiffness at minimal weight, pairing with fully adjustable shock absorber and linkage system for maximum traction and bottoming out resistance. The suspension can also be customized to suit rider weight and terrain. It's been tested and proven in rallies by champions like Matthias Walkner and Kevin Benavides. Visuals and bodywork. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica is a stunning and performance-focused bike, perfectly suited for rally racing, especially on the Dakar rally course. Its all-new aggressive bodywork improves aerodynamics and ergonomics, reducing drag and turbulence at high speeds while giving riders better control. The LED headlight system provides 33% more light output, ensuring unmatched visibility and safety in low light or dark conditions. KTM's dedication to creating the ultimate rally machine shines through its cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and rider-focused features. The bike includes a digital road book for navigation, rigorously tested for accuracy and usability. Its ready-to-race design offers customizable white plastics and graphics for personal flair. The revamped fairings, rally-specific seating, and tank layout ensure maximum comfort over long distances, with improved grip and movement for both seated and standing positions. Practicality is also a priority. An integrated tool storage compartment within the engine cover keeps essential tools secure while reducing rider load. A carbon fiber navigation tower, lightweight and aerodynamic, further enhances the bike's performance at top speeds. With warning lights for tank reserves and a sleek dashboard design, the KTM 450 Rally Replica delivers everything a rider needs to dominate the dunes and beyond. Components add to performance. As expected from the 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica, other components enhance the performance of the rally bike. For one, it comes with triple clamps. The all-new 23mm offset CNC machine triple clamps are designed with a rally-specific design, offering rigidity and accurate handling when driving through the desert. This is combined with an in-house developed PHDS system and Scott's steering damper, keeping the bike flowing in the rally stages. Another feature of the KTM 450 Rally Replica is the e-starter and battery. It features a reliable electric starter with a Li-ion 4.5 ampere-hour battery handle. This weighs much less than a standard lead battery, offering top power to electronics and making it easier to start your bike, even at the lowest temperatures. The KTM 450 Rally Replica charges across the roughest terrains with impressive wheels. It uses black high-strength alloy rims from Excel fitted with cast aluminum hubs. These also feature steel nipples and lightweight spokes for maximum durability and stability. This makes the wheels suitable for intense rally racing, regardless of terrain. The motorbike also features Brembo brakes, which offer top performance and reliability. It features 300mm front and 250mm rear discs for top-notch stopping power and driving control. The seamless rider feel instills top confidence regardless of where you find yourself racing. The KTM 450 Rally Replica has been used by different Dakar winners, which also makes it one of the most successful motorcycles in Dakar rally history. Riders like Matthias Walkner, Toby Price, Sam Sunderland, and Kevin Benavides have used the original version. This makes the rally bike more popular than others, causing many to lean towards the replica version. Even with all the highlights of the bike, you might be wondering whether it's worth it. However, the high price tag of approximately $40,000 and specialized maintenance costs may deter casual riders. Its limited production run also reduces availability and aftermarket support. Additionally, its rally-specific design may not suit casual off-road riders or meet road use requirements in some countries. The 2025 KTM 450 Rally Replica continues to dominate at the Dakar Rally, winning 10 out of 19 races. So, if you had the chance to own one of these exclusive machines, where would you take it for a ride of a lifetime? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.